Alright, we got roughly a little bit less than a minute before this KMC clock is going to go off for the alarm. So, yeah. It's gonna be a little bit. It'll be about maybe 50 something seconds into this when it will actually go off if you want to speed there. Start this early because I have this set differently. So it'll be about 40 something seconds when it'll be 10 seconds till it goes off. Alright, about 10 seconds or so, maybe. Any minute now. So yeah, there you go. That is the alarm.